complete guide to planting okra seeds. Planting okra in your garden. Okra is a popular dish in many cultures across the world. It's usually served as a vegetable, but it can also be used as a main ingredient in soups and stews. Okra is a type of plant that belongs to the mallow family. Okra plants are often grown for their edible green fruit pods and seeds, which are known as okra pods or okra seeds. Okras grow best when they're planted during the spring season and in warm climates. Okras need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day to grow well, so make sure you plant them where there is plenty of sunlight. Dill and tomatoes are great companion plants for okra. All require around 6 hours of sunlight a day. Okra is a versatile plant. The leaves are cooked and eaten as a vegetable, either steamed or stir-fried. The pods can be eaten raw, boiled, or fried. They can also be pickled and used in salads. The pods have an intense flavor that's often described as having a spicy taste. Do you like spicy food? Before we share where to buy, and how to grow okra seeds with you, please plant your thumb on the subscribe button. It allows more people to hear about this kind of information. Okay, let's get growing. How to grow okra, top tips for successful crop. Okra is a vegetable that is used in many dishes and can be grown in a variety of climates. Here are some tips and tricks to help you grow the best okra crop possible. Growing okra is easy, but there are some things you need to know if you want your crop to be successful. Here are our top tips for growing okra. Okra needs full sun. Choose an area with lots of light and space for the plants to spread out. Plant seeds at least 2 inches apart in rows that are 3 feet apart. Okra plants grow best when they are watered regularly, but do not overwater them or they will get root rot. Okra plants grow best when they are fertilized every few weeks with a diluted liquid fertilizer, like Miracle Grow or an organic compost tea. Harvest when pods are around 3 to 8 inches in length and leave some just inside the row so they can continue to grow. Cut off the top leaves and pods and allow them to dry in a cool, dark place. What is the difference between bush and pole types of okras? Okra is a very attractive plant. Pole okra plants are taller and more formal looking, while bush type of okras are shorter and more informal in appearance. The pods are more angular and they have a rough and bumpy texture, while the leaves of a bush type of okra plant tend to be smooth and glossy. What are the best type of okras for your garden? The best type of okra for your garden is the one that you enjoy eating. To buy okra seeds online, click the link below in the video description. Thanks for watching.